Your muscles are fading, aren't they? You wake up, try to lift something simple, and suddenly feel weaker than you did a few years ago. It's frustrating, it's scary, and honestly, it makes even small daily tasks harder than they should be. But here's the truth. Age 70 is not the end of building strength. Your body can still respond, your muscles can still grow, and your energy can bounce back if you feed them the right way. Most people think eggs, meat, or protein powders are the only way to get stronger after 70. But what if I told you that tiny seeds, yes, simple seeds, can deliver more protein than eggs, and they come with benefits your body at 70 actually craves? Imagine a natural, easy, and effective way to rebuild muscle, boost energy, and protect your bones, all without straining your kidneys or heart. Let's start with pumpkin seeds. These little green powerhouses are loaded with protein, magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats. Magnesium is crucial for muscle contraction, energy production, and even sleep, all things your body needs to repair and build muscles. Zinc supports hormone balance, helping your body maintain strength and stamina. A handful of pumpkin seeds a day can give you a steady stream of protein and minerals, far gentler on your system than a dozen eggs. Sprinkle them on oatmeal, mix into yogurt, or eat them raw. It's that simple. Next, sunflower seeds. High in protein and packed with vitamin E, these seeds help reduce inflammation, which is critical as your muscles and joints age. Less inflammation means less stiffness, easier movement, and a better chance for your muscles to grow after you work them. Sunflower seeds are easy to add anywhere, in salads, on top of cereals, or even as a crunchy snack while watching TV. Now let's talk about chia seeds. Tiny but mighty, they're full of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and fiber. Omega-3s help protect your heart and reduce joint pain, making it easier to stay active. Fiber improves digestion, which is essential for absorbing protein and nutrients effectively. A spoonful in your morning smoothie or sprinkled over oatmeal gives your muscles the fuel they need to repair and grow. Chia seeds also expand in water, keeping you full and energetic through the day. And finally, flax seeds. Rich in protein, lignans, and omega-3s, flax seeds support hormone balance and reduce inflammation, both crucial for maintaining muscle mass after 70. They also improve heart health and digestion, keeping your system ready to absorb and use all the protein you consume. Ground flax seeds are best, as your body absorbs them more easily. Add them to smoothies, cereals, or baked snacks. But why do seeds work better than eggs for building muscles at this age? First, seeds provide plant-based protein that is easier on digestion and kidneys. Eggs, while high in protein, contain cholesterol and can strain your system if eaten in large quantities every day. Seeds also contain antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that eggs simply don't provide, supporting muscles, bones, heart, and energy levels all at once. Here's how to use them daily. Morning. Add a tablespoon each of chia and flax seeds to your smoothie or oatmeal. Afternoon. Snack on a handful of pumpkin or sunflower seeds. Evening. Sprinkle seeds on salads or cooked vegetables for extra protein. Consistency is key. Your body needs protein throughout the day to repair muscles, reduce fatigue, and maintain energy. Paired with light resistance exercises, walking with weights, resistance bands, or simple bodyweight movements, these seeds help rebuild strength faster than eggs alone. Let's go deeper. Many people over 70 struggle with joint stiffness, fatigue, and loss of balance. The right nutrition can help. Seeds are anti-inflammatory, improve circulation, and support bone health. Pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds provide magnesium, zinc, and vitamin E, which help bones stay strong, muscles stay flexible, and energy remain high. Chia and flax seeds provide omega-3 fatty acids, supporting heart health and joint lubrication. This is why seeds are not just a source of protein. They are a complete support system for your body as it ages. Imagine this. You sprinkle these seeds on your breakfast, Have a small handful mid-afternoon and top your evening salad with them. Combined with 15 to 20 minutes of light exercise, within a few weeks you'll feel more stable when walking. Your arms and legs will feel stronger, and even climbing stairs will become easier. Many people ask, can I replace my eggs completely with seeds? The answer is yes. Seeds can provide enough protein, essential fats, and nutrients to maintain and even grow muscle after 70, without the cholesterol, heaviness, or strain on your kidneys. But the secret is variety. A mix of pumpkin, sunflower, chia, and flax seeds gives your body a complete amino acid profile, vitamins, minerals, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Let's talk practical tips. 1. Mix them. Don't just eat one type of seed. Mix pumpkin, sunflower, chia, and flax for maximum effect. 2. Use daily. Even a small amount every day beats a large amount once a week. 3. Hydrate. Seeds absorb water, so drink plenty to help digestion. 4. Combine with movement. Light strength exercises amplify the protein effect, rebuilding muscle faster. Your muscles are not gone. Your energy is not gone. Your strength is not gone. They're waiting for the right fuel, and these seeds are that fuel. Age is just a number. Your body still has the potential to rebuild, strengthen, and feel youthful again. Start today. Sprinkle, snack, and blend these seeds. Pair them with light resistance exercises. Watch your body respond, your muscles firm up, and your energy return. You will feel stronger, healthier, and more confident. Remember, it's not about rushing. It's about feeding your body the right protein, the right nutrients, consistently. Tiny seeds, daily habits, and light exercises, that's the recipe for muscles that defy age. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start today and reclaim your strength.